In this video, I want to show you the 3 simple steps that I use to make $236.65 selling a digital product over just a few days. And I want to show you how I did it, what happened, so you can do the same thing too. It all started over on my Gumroad store. I have these simple truth reports about making money online, so I decided to create a new truth report. It's called the LDT model, your next first step to making money online. You can see it right here on my Gumroad shop. Here's inside my Gumroad shop analytics. You can see I made $99.50. That was from June 20th to June 23rd. Now, I did enter an affiliate contest and used the same product that I was selling as a bonus, and I topped the leaderboard over on that competition. And here you can see that I actually made $137.15 during that promotion. Again, this is just a simple report, a simple digital product. It's a PDF download over on my Gumroad shop. It sells right here for $17. It's a real product that is for sale and alive right now. What I did, or how this actually started, was I offered up a 3-module workshop. There's a link in the description, and I held this live. So on the 7th of June, on the 14th of June, and on the 21st of June, I walked through the 3-step process, a simple 3-step roadmap of how to go about creating this digital product and how to post it over on Gumroad. On Module 3, or in Module 3, what I did is I walked through actually creating it and setting it up. And you can see here in video number 2, I actually set up the product and I had it for sale over on my Gumroad store. Again, that was on the 21st of June, starting on the 7th of June, the 14th of June, and the 21st of June, but actually over a 3-day period of selling the product as well as the contest. You can see the contest ended right here on the 26th of June. I actually only promoted this product for about 3 days to win that contest. How exactly does this work? The link in the description, again, takes you over to my 3-module workshop. And in those 3 modules, I'm showing you a simple 3-step roadmap. The first step and the first module covers how you pinpoint the problem. The second module covers how you create a simple, smart solution, like the product, the digital product, the PDF that I created, and then how to post that solution for sale up over on Gumroad. Again, Module 1 is going to be pinpointing your problem, crafting a niche solution. Module 2, creating the simple, smart solution, a simple 3-step strategy inside of that module. And then Module 3, posting that solution for sale over on Gumroad. And remember, we're selling it on Gumroad, so we have the potential to make the money there as a product creator and selling the product and keeping 100% of the profits as our own digital product. Then we also have the ability to enter affiliate contest and use this product that we're selling because it's a real product that we created to solve a real problem for our audience. And then we go over and we find a product that we can promote and we use it as a bonus and we top affiliate leaderboards. And again, there's a link in the description. It takes you over to this sales page. You'll see here the simple 3-step roadmap: pinpoint a problem, create a simple smart solution, and then post that solution for sale. There's a full sales page here that explains everything about the 3-module workshop and what you get, as well as the price. But understand, at the end of the day, what we're doing here is we are crafting a digital product. Here is the product itself. This is inside of Google Docs. Of course, inside of Google Docs, when I download this as a PDF, and that is the digital product that I'm selling. But you can see the structure here that I'm following. 3 simple steps and a simple process to create a digital product on something that you are actually doing exactly what I teach inside of that product, something that you're learning, something that you're doing, and something that you're ready to teach because you've been learning about it, you've been doing it, and now you're ready to share it with the world so they have the answers to the problems or the solution to the problem that they have because you've gone through all those hurdles and you solved that problem and you've simplified that solution for them, and you created that as your own digital product that you're selling over on your Gumroad shop. And that is how simple it is in 3 simple steps over just a few days. And you can see how there I made $236.65 selling a digital product over on Gumroad. Link in the description. You can check out my 3-module offer workshop. Of course, if you have any questions about this process, this 3-step process, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.